Hello students, in the previous lecture we have done relations, types of relations and few problems based on the topic relations. Today we'll start with functions. So first is function. You have studied in plus one class about the brief definition of functions and some types of functions. Have you heard this word function in your daily life? Yes, we use it. For example, annual function of our school. There are two types of people. One is host and other is guest. So, in functions, two sets. We are having two sets, and it is similar to relations. As we have seen in the relation, that relation is a law. It is a rule which connects two non-empty sets. Similar way, function is also a rule which connects or associates two sets, two non-empty sets, that is known as function. But these functions are special type of relations. Special type of relations are only functions. All the relations are not functions, but all functions are relations. What is the difference? As we have seen in the relation, that it is a set of ordered pair, for example, AB, BC, AC. That may be relation, but it is not a function. That is a relation, but it is not a function. Why it is not a function? Because two ordered pairs are having first element same. So, how you can define function? Function is also set of ordered pair where no first element of two ordered pair are same. That is known as function. How we can explain it? As suppose we are having two non-empty sets A and B, then function f. It is a rule which associates the elements. For example, we are taking three elements 1, 2, 3, and here A, B, C, D. It is a rule which associates the member of this first set with the members of second set. So simply we can define it like this: if A and B are two non-empty sets, B are two non-empty sets, then F is a rule. F stands for function, is a rule which associate elements of each elements of A with unique element of B. Each element will have different image. And the image will be 1. That is mathematically how we can write it: f such that f is a function from A to B. So this first set, or y is equal to fx, where x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. So f is a mapping. Sometimes we can take it as we are having two boxes, that is input and output. So f is a mathematical operation. F Function is a mathematical operation which transform some data into different one. Or you may write these definitions: if A and B are two monetary sets, then F is a rule which associates each elements of A with unique element of B, F such that A to B. So this is a function. Where similarly to the relation, domain of function. What is domain of function? D of F. Set A, first set. Set A is the domain of the function. All the values of x, we have to remember it. All the values of x for which y is real, if we are talking about real value function. All the values of x, a set of values of x for which y is real. For example, we can take any example: y is equal to fx is equal to 2 by x. Now see, for all values of x, for all real values of x, it is defined or not. If you will put x is equal to 1, this will be 2. But if you put x is equal to 0, what would you get from here? That is 2 upon 0. It is infinite. Why 2 upon 0? We know very well in mathematics the division with 0 is not possible. Why it is not possible in mathematics? Because division is the repetitive subtraction. And if we will subtract 0 from 2 infinite times, we won't get the remainder as 0. So because of that, now it is undefined for x is equal to 0. So we can't take this as the domain of this function. As I am taking the example y is equal to fx is equal to 2 upon x. So set A is known as domain of the function, or we can say the value of x for which y is having real value. The set is known as domain. And what is range of function? Range of function. All the real values of y, that is equal to y, means all the real values of y whatsoever, when we will put the independent or the domain values of x and we are getting some values for y, then all those values which we are getting after putting the value of x, that very set is known as range of the function. And what is codomain of the function? Second set, set B. Set B is the codomain of the function. F from A to B. This is domain, this is codomain. And what is range? Range is subset of codomain. Range is subset of codomain. Why? Because when we will put the values of x here, then the value of y, definitely whatsoever we are getting, that will belong to set B. So this was about function. Now in +2 standard, we will study about different types of function. Different types of function. What are those types? 1, 1, onto, and invertible function. So different types of function. Different types of functions. First is 1, 1 function. 1, 1 function. Or it is also known as injective function. Injective function. Now suppose we are having a function from A to B. If each element of A is having different image in B. What I said in a pictorial form, this is the pictorial form of the function. Suppose this is set A, this is set B. Now the function rule is the positive square root of 1 is positive square root of 1, 2 is positive square root of 4, 3 is positive square root of 9. So that means each element, 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 4, 3 is related to 9, or 3 is associated with 9. That means each element of A is having distinct or different image in B. So this type of function is known as 1-1 function. So f such that A to B is a 1-1 function, if each element of A is having different or distinct image. So this type of function is known as 1-1 function, or mathematically we can write it. What you come to understand from this definition, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, this implies x1 is equal to x2, or if x1 is not equal to x2, this implies f of x1 is not equal to f of x2, then it is 1-1 function. Now try to understand this, because if we are taking the same values, means 1 is having image as 1, but 2 is having image as 4. But if we are taking different values, when same values are taken, then the image will be same. And when we have taken the different values of the different elements of set A, then definitely they will be associated with the different element of set B. This is known as 1-1 function. Otherwise, if a function is not 1-1, then it is many-one. We can take many examples. For example, y is equal to fx is equal to 2x, then it is 1-1. Why? Because if you will put the value of x as 1, then we will get 2. If you will put the value of x as 2, we will get y as 4, and so on, different. But instead of this, if we are taking another example, for example, y is equal to fx is equal to x square. Now see, if x is equal to 1, this implies y is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. If x is equal to -1, this implies -1 square is again 1. That means we are having different value, but the images are same. So this type of function, it is not 1-1. This type of function is known as many-one. So you may write many-one function. Many-one function. If a function is not 1-1, then it is many-one function. When each element of A, or any element of A, you can see instead of each, any element of A may have any, we can define many-one function as if two or more element of A is having same image in B. We can represent this example by a pictorial way. minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, and this is 2. This is 4. So minus 1 is having image as 1, 1 is having image as 1, 2 is having image as 4. So this type of function, it is not a one function, this is many one. Why? Because more than one element is having the same image. So students, you can remember it like this. Twins can have the same image, but one person cannot have the two images. So one element of A can never have two images in B. This was the definition in function we studied, that f such that function is a rule which associate elements of A to elements of B. Now next is onto function. I think it is clear to you. Next is onto function. Onto function. What is onto function? Again, a function is a mapping, it is a law, it is a rule which associate or which connect two sets, that is non-empty sets A and B. So suppose we are having 1, 2, 3 and this is 1, 4, 9. As earlier we have taken this example that 1 is this, it is related to this, 3 is related to this. There is no more element in B. Then what happens? Each element or every element of B is having image in A. This type of function is known as onto function. What I said? F from A to B is said to be onto function if each element of B is having pre-image in A. What do you mean by this? That means there should be no element in the codomain of the function which is not having the relation with any of the element in A. So what that indicate? Range of the function is equal to codomain of the function. So which function will be onto function? If range of the function is equal to codomain of the function, or simply we can say range set of function is equal to codomain set of function. So then this type of function is known as onto, and also it is known as bijective function. It is also known as bijective function. And if a function is not onto function, then it is known as into function. The function which is not onto, that is known as into function. Otherwise, it will be onto function. So now we have seen what is injective or injective function and onto and injective bijective function. Sorry, this is surjective. This is surjective function, not bijective. We have seen that if a function is 1, then it is injective function. If it is onto, then it is surjective function. And if it is both, then it is known as bijective function. So what is bijective function? If a function is 1 and onto, then it is then it is called bijective function. Bijective function. And if a function is 1, 1 and onto, then it will be invertible function. Then it will be invertible function. So you can say bijective or invertible function. Invertible function. So mathematically, how we can write it? If we are having f a to b is a bijective function, then g b to a is inverse of f. If A to B, where domain is A, codomain is B, F is any connecting rule, and that which type of function is this? Bijective function. Then if you will take another function as G, but how the domain becomes codomain and codomain becomes domain, then this is known as inverse of function y is equal to fx. This implies f inverse y is equal to x. So remember it. What is invertible function? A function which is 1, 1 and onto, that will be bijective or invertible function. And what is the inverse of the function? We have seen it also in case of relations. When we are, as in the previous case, that is function f, a we connected a with b, but in G, we are going to connect B with A. This type of function is known as invertible function. So we have done today what is 1, 1 function, onto function, or 1, 1 and onto function, that is invertible function. Now in the next day, we will do some problems based on this topic. Thank you.